Okay, let's move on to purple, shall we? The word for purple is bubende. Say it with me. Bubende. Very good. If you wanted to say it is purple, you could say gu bubende. Say it with me. Gu bubende. Good. Let's use bubende or purple in a sentence. If I had a purple hat, I could say ingwane yami ingumbala obubende. Say it with me. Ingwane yami ingumbala obubende. Very good. That means my hat is purple. Now let's do orange. Orange in isiNdebele is lithanga. Say it with me. Lithanga. When you say lithanga, you're literally describing a pumpkin, like the inside of a pumpkin. It's orange, bright, beautiful orange. So people use that bright, beautiful inside of a pumpkin orange to describe things that are orange. So if you wanted to say it is orange, you would say gu lithanga. Say it with me. Gu lithanga. Let's use orange in a sentence. Let's say I had orange shoes. I would say ngilezicathulo ezingumbala olithanga. Good job, you're doing very well. Let's do pink. The word for pink in Ndebele is bomvana. Say it with me. Bomvana. If I wanted to say it is pink, I would say gu bomvana. Try that. Gu bomvana. Good. Let's use pink in a sentence. If you went to a wedding and you saw a bridesmaid carrying a pink bouquet, you would say uphethe amaluba angumbala obomvana. She is carrying or holding a pink bouquet of flowers. Try it with me. Uphethe amaluba angumbala obomvana. Good job, everyone. You're doing very well. Now let's finish off. If you had something that is dark gray, it would be ludaga. Say it with me. Ludaga. So, if you wanted to say it is dark gray, you would say guludaga. Say it with me. Guludaga. Udaga is the word that you use to describe mud, dark, murky mud. So you're using that dark, murky mud to describe something that looks that color, okay? So, guludaga. It is like dark, murky mud, okay? It is dark gray. Let's use that in a sentence, shall we? You could say, imota lei ingumbala oludaga. Say it with me. Imota lei ingumbala oludaga. This car is dark gray. What about light gray? The word you use in Ndebele for light gray is luthuli. Say it with me. Luthuli. Very good. Luthuli literally means similar to dust. Dust in the air. So it looks like, dust. So if I wanted to say it is light gray, I would say guluthuli. Say it with me. Guluthuli. Very good. Let's say I had a jacket that's dark gray, a nice suit jacket that's dark gray. I could say ibhachi lami lingumbala oluthuli. Say that with me. Ibhachi lami lingumbala oluthuli. My jacket is light gray. You're doing very well. Let's do cream. The word for cream in Ndebele is lulaza. Say it with me. Lulaza. Lulaza is literally the cream from milk that you get. Okay? So you're describing something and you're saying it looks like that cream we get from milk. So if you want to say it is cream, you would say Gululaza. It is like the color of cream from milk. Let's use cream, lulaza, in a sentence. We could say, amalembo akhe amafasteli angumbala olulaza. Try it with me. Amalembo akhe awamafasteli angumbala olulaza. That simply means her curtains are cream in color, or her curtains are cream. Good. Now let's do silver. The color silver in Ndebele is siliva. Say it with me. Siliva. Good job. If you wanted to say something is silver, you would say kuyi siliva. Say it with me. Kuyi siliva. Very good. Let's use silver in a sentence. We could say, iwachilei ile bhanti elingumbala oyisiliva. Try it with me. Iwachilei ile bhanti elingumbala oyisiliva. That simply means this watch has a silver belt. Okay. And the last color we're going to do is gold. The word for gold in Ndebele is golide. Say it with me. Golide. Golide. So if I wanted to say it is gold, I would say guli golide. Say it with me. Guli golide. It is gold. Let's use gold in a sentence. We could say, indandatho zomshado zingumbala wegolide. Say it with me. Indandatho zomshado zingumbala wegolide. That simply means the wedding rings are gold. Very good job. I'm very proud of you. Now you can describe things in colors in Ndebele. It's time for me to say goodbye. Nizalibona phambili. I will see you in the next lesson. Salani kuhle. Yimi untando. Bye-bye.